What are you doing?
My watch.
You want to watch the video? Okay, let's take the video first. What are you doing? You're cleaning?
Yeah. Might be too hot.
It might be too hot?
Yeah. They blow it.
Oh, you're cooling it off by blowing on it?
Next one.
What are we making today, sweetie?
To eat
We're making something to eat? What are we making to eat?
some Monopoly.
Mm-hmm.
What was it?
Well, we're not done making it yet. We're making mashed potatoes. Mommy called Tia Maria, and Tia Maria told Mommy how to make the mashed potatoes. So what are you doing in this bowl right here?
Agua.
There's agua in the bowl?
Soap?
There's soap in the bowl?
No.
Not yet.
I lost soap.
You want to put some soap in there?
Yeah.
What would you use the soap for?
What is it there?
Hmm?
What's it there?
Look at Mommy when you're talking, because Mommy can't understand.
What is it there?
What was that?
A gun.
What was that? What's going on over here? Ooh. Might be too much water in there, huh? Let's take some out. You want to watch it?
Yeah.
We had to finish making it first. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.